Mahamaya Public School, esteemed Principal, Mahamaya Degree College, my respected and beloved colleagues, and all my dear plus 2, plus 3 students and school students. It is a moment of pride for us that on behalf of our Mahamaya Degree College, today we have organized this important novel program related to drug eradication. As we all know, that drug abuse is one of the serious and one of the most dangerous issues in our country, in our area. Our college, our administration, all have joined hands together. We all have united together to organize this program